Hello everyone, this is Deepa Coaching Classes. As you can see, our today's topic is real number. Real number, we are going to do 4 types of sums. Type 1 is factorization method, then proving root 2 and verification. Okay, so let's start. So what is real number? Real numbers as denoted R can be plotted on a line. So if you have a real number, it can be plotted on a line like this. Yeah. Then rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in fraction, terminating or non-terminating form. Rational numbers are those numbers which can be written on fraction, terminating or non-terminating form. Irrational numbers denoted by I are numbers like root 2, root pi, root 3, root 7, which never end and they don't repeat also. Okay. So this is a prime factor tree which we used to study earlier in 7th, 8th standard. So what teacher used to do? They used to give us a number and they used to tell us to make the tree. Okay. Here are the two factors I have taken, this and this. 12 multiplied by 10, I get 120. 10 can be further divided into 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 6 can be divided into 3 2s are 6. So 2 cannot be further divided. So no more factors for 2. So whenever we are getting no factors, we have to stop. Okay. So for this 120, what are the factors we have taken? How many 2s we have? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And how many 3s? 1. How many 5? 1. So the factors for 120 is this. So I have taken some other factors, like I have started with 60 multiplied by 2, also 120. So 2 cannot have more factors, so I am going for 60, 30 2s are, 30 is 3, 10 3s are, 10 is 5 2s are. So the results are same no matter which factors you are starting with. If you are starting with 12 multiplied by 10 or 60 multiplied by 2. So the first method we are going to start is factorization or prime factor method. So here is the first type, prime factorization method. Find the HCF of 144 and 60 by prime factor method. So how to take the factors? This is 144. So this is last number is 4. So it is divisible by 2. So we have to always start with the lowest number. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. So 2 3s are 6. Carry 1. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. Carry 1. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. Now 3. Now this cannot be divided by 2. So we have to take 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Similarly here when there is 0, 2, 4, 6, we have to take 2. We have to start with 2. Whenever there is 3, 9, we have to start with 3. 0, 5, it is 5. Okay. Let's start with 2. 2 3s are 6, 0 as it is. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, this is 5. We can take 3 also. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So always start from the lower, then higher, then higher. Here we could take 5 3s are 15 and then 3 1s are 3. But we have to start from the lower. So this is called prime factor method. So what are the factors for 144 and 60? 2 2 2, 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 3 3. Here 1 2 3 5. So how to find the HCF and LCM? HCF is which is highest common factor. So this is HCF in both. 1 2 is common in both. Again 2 is is common in both. And 3. So HCF is 12. 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. So what is LCM? Whatever remains. 2, 2, 3, 5. And whatever HCF you have taken. Like 2, 2 and 3. This is your LCM. So what is your LCM? 720 after multiplication. Okay. There is another method to find HCF and LCM. HCF multiplied by LCM is equals to product. This is a shortcut method. Please learn this carefully. HCF multiplied by LCM is product. You can use this for MCQs. So HCF, if suppose HCF was given 12, LCM we have to find out. And what is the product? 144 and 60. Okay. So keep your LCM as it is. So you get 144 multiplied by 60 upon 12. 12 12 is 144. 12 multiplied by 60 is 720. So LCM is 720. Take this as a new trick to solve your LCM and HCF in an easy way. Here are a few sums given for your practice. Pause the video and solve the sums by factor method. Here is the type 2 of the same sum, 144 and 60, like how we have found the factors as shown earlier in the same video. We have taken HCF as 12 and LCM as 720. We have to verify left hand side is equals to right hand side, that is LCM into HCF is equals to product. So this is the LCM, this is the HCF. So we have to find the LCM multiplied by LCM multiplied by HCF, what you get, and product. If you multiply the initial numbers, what you get. Your right hand side should be is equal to right hand side. Then only your factors are correct. Answer 8640 here. Here also 8640 after multiplication. Hence verified. Hence verified LHS is equals to RHS. This sum can come for 3 marks. So here you are going to get full 3 out of 3 if you do this properly in this way. These are some practice problems for verification method. Pause the video and solve the sums. Do write your answers in the comment box so I get to know whether you are doing it right. So the next thing is, without long division, find a number is terminating or not and write down the decimal expansion. A number is given in a rational form, 23 upon 160. So here two things you have to find out, terminating or no and decimal expansion. So this number is given, always take the denominator to find the factors, not the numerator. Okay. So 2, since it is 0, we can start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So how to find out whether the numbers are terminating or no? Only if it is terminating, the factors should be only and only 2 and 5. No other factors should be present here. Even one number is 3 or 7 or something else, you cannot say that it is terminating. Only if the number is 2 and 5, factors are 2 and 5, then it is terminating. So how to take the decimal expansion? Take the number, take the factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5, 2 and 1, 5. Okay, 1, 5 and 5, 2. So how many numbers, how many factors we have? 2, we have 5. So 5 we have only 1. So you have to make it 5. Okay, so 4 and 1 is 5. So however, so whichever number you are taking down, you have to multiply it to the numerator also. Okay, so 23 into 5 raised to 4 upon 2 raised to 5 and 5 raised to 5. Okay, so this becomes 23 into 625 upon 10 raised to 5, which is 14375 upon 10 raised to 5. So 10 raised to 5. So how many decimal points it will go? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So decimal point will come here. So this is point 14375. Yeah. Isn't it easy to solve? These are some easy methods to solve decimal expansions. So here you have to get full marks. These are some practice problems to solve. They are 5. Pause the video and solve the problems. So now is the most difficult part, which students feel, but I feel you should just know the concept of how to prove root 7 or root 3, root 5, root 2 as irrational. Here we have to prove root 7 is irrational number. So how to go about? Let us assume that root 7 is a rational number. So we keep these two as numbers where a and b are co-prime. So a upon b is equals to root 7, we say. Okay. So b will go on top and this will become b's root 7 into a. So a is not equal to 0. Okay, now we are squaring both the sides. B will become b square, 7 root and root will get cancelled and it will become 7 and a will become a square. Thus we feel that 7 divides a square. Okay, also a. Therefore a is equals to 7c. C is another integer which is used here. So this is your equation number 1 and 2. Substitute 7b square minus 49 c square from 1 and 2. Okay, 49 why? Because it is 7 sevens are 49. Okay, b square can be also written as 7c. 7 and this 49 get cancels. B square is 7c. Thus 7 divides b square and also b, which is contradictory to our statement which we assume that root 7 is rational. Hence proved that root 7 is irrational. Okay, this is for root 7. Now we can do the same thing, put the all the statements same, and we can do this for root 3. Suppose we are doing this for root 3. Okay, so we are changing only the root. See what we have done. Wherever there was root 7, we have taken at root 3, and the square of 3 is 9. We have 3 3s are 9. Okay. So all what you have to do is just remember all the statements perfectly in the same order, and you are perfect with root 3 or root 2, root 7, whichever root comes, you are perfect with it. So these are sure short 3 marks question which we have done today. Please pause the video, learn these irrational numbers thoroughly, write down 2 to 3 times, and get ready for your board exams to score full 3 marks. Just a quick recap what we have done today. We have done the prime factorization method, we have found a factor tree, then we have done prime factorization, then we have verified the factorization, then we have done an easy trick of LCM multiplied by HCF is equals to product, either to find LCM or HCF. Then we have proved root 3, root 2 or root 7 irrational, which is the most important topic. And also we have found terminating and non-terminating numbers, how to find the terminating and non-terminating numbers, and also their decimal expansion. Thank you so much. Do complete the homework given in between. Thank you so much.